Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ishal Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. I love you guys and sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SASHELLS running. Okay. Also, I do have Facebook page Ishal Speaks Messages. This is going to be for everyone out there. So general, universal, timeless readings. If I'll feel like I'll put the date. If not, these are timeless. Going with the flow. Okay. So it's paining. It's paining actually. I heard the words water is dripping. Okay, and this water is not exactly any place. The water is just water, so it's like emotional state. Water is dripping, maybe from the anywhere. If it is raining, then water is dripping. There is heavy rainfall forecast possible happening in your area somewhere, but water is dripping so much. It's also giving me the sign someone is getting way too emotional and for something. Okay, you got one card. I'm going to use this particular deck. I gave this review on this channel, so it is just so that you can see it if you want to check out this. These are playing cards but with pictures and all. Okay, let me organize my thoughts. So water is dripping, definitely, and the card that flipped is also going with that, so I have to show you just in this startup. They have pictures and they have words written, and actually people are enjoying, but it's the enjoyment on someone's coffin. Someone who never appreciated someone or is actually happy. So water is dripping, possible from the other side. Someone might be feeling that scenario. The message written is she is dead at last. So possible this does go in symbolism in real life as well. Someone is no more in this world, but energies, they are not sad. They are clapping, they are having the dance. If you look close, they are all happy, they're dancing, they're enjoying, partying. How can someone do this? This is also someone who is I said so actually going, they transitioning, so, or they transitioned, and the energies around, they're not sad. There are no tears. I don't know how and why, but something is connected with this kind of energy, and that energy, she or he is aware. Okay, because they can see, they can sense from the other side that energies are not happy. So wherever it is happening, if it is happening. Okay, here it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So it's 9 of swords energy, spade energy, which is, if you see in the tarot, it's a person is sitting on the bed, and it's like they're crying and they're stressed and they're having anxiety. So possible this is connected with some kind of anxiety that was dripping high, something that energies were people around, they wanted this person to go. Either they were, that energy was in pain, so much of pain, and that's why, or if this is something connected with some other issues. Okay, I know I'm speaking about this, but this is definitely something connected with very heavy. Okay, so we'll see. For some cases it is about, I feel like they enjoyed with them and later they took away what's theirs. It's some money, property, business, something connected with big here. Okay, now for some cases this may be the message that's coming, like when the water is dripping, someone is not in this particular frame, I feel, and that particular energy is not even aware. Okay, for some cases it's karma. They did bad, and that's why these energies are enjoying. Okay, jail binds. It's connected also with jail binds is property, money. 10 of Pentacles. It's connected with some crime, and these are the culprits out there, especially with this Nine of Swords energy and with 10 of Pentacles energy. This is something, a contradiction or something connected with that for the sake of the money or the business or something, take over. They are taking someone out of the business. So this may go not in physical sense, for some cases in real life sense, like someone is fired or they are pushing someone to leave, or these energies are from the world of celebs or richies or something, but they should go to kind of like, they should be interrogated, they should go to jail, this is for the sake of money or something like that. But they are all same, they're all same, wearing same kind of masks here. You cannot distinguish between, and someone never got aware of what they're actually hiding. They are the culprits, they are the pirates, they're someone of like emotional pirates, like taking over something. That's what I'm talking about. Also, I don't know why when they're saying like especially with this jail binds, okay, it's also coming with this Nine of Swords energy, wherein someone is going in. So this could be handcuff, someone who will be caught hiding behind them, possible the big names or something, they're going to get caught. So there's going to be rain, okay, the water will drip. The water dripping, okay, is a sign. Just give me a second. So guys, sorry, there was a battery down, so I had to arrange something. Okay, so with this water dripping, I feel like this kind of celebration maybe is that someone is going behind the bars, so handcuffing the culprits and all that stuff. Also, that's why there is a mass celebration, some kind of so maybe I'm speaking to some of the particular cases here which might be going currently in the current events. I'm having a cup, sorry for that. So mass celebration, okay. Now I'm going to, for other cases here, people who are in love, relationships and all, I still feel here that water is dripping. Emotional state is here. Someone who is getting over emotional, someone who is overwhelmed, inclining towards and telling all the things that is in their heart. It's also after the division, after the partition, after the separation, someone is coming around the corner and saying that I cannot be without you, okay, I have to be with you energy. That's what water is dripping. Okay, there might be this particular energy around your King of Cups. Obviously you know them, but this is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. You might expect some communication with this person to and fro, which will be happening all in all, like they are going to end up saying everything, whatever is in their heart. This might be happening from your side, possible, because this is inclusive of all the signs. So you might be the one, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, listening. You might be the one other sign but dealing with, okay. Take it how it resonates with you, but I do feel that there is someone who is with a free will coming towards you or wanting to be with you or wants to be with you here, and they want to talk. King of Cups is in your life anyhow, in and out possible, okay, but there is this person who is looking at you and they want to talk things, okay. In and out, Six of Cups energy, resurgence I can see for many of you, and this person is making a move towards you. This can be particular Cancerian listening to the reading, or again dealing with one, howsoever it goes, but there is this Cancerian or the Chariot energy, which is about someone who is making up their mind. And because water is dripping, this may be the sign of resurgence, wanting chance, walking up to you. Means in a sense like someone who is sending you the message, or someone you might hear out from the past. So resurgence, reunion call, okay, wanting peace with the scenario. So they've been holding this cup for some time, and they're quite arranging all the lilies in the cups time and again. But now it's like encouraging themselves and coping with certain kind of situation, and telling you everything. I feel like that. I also feel like the rain will come. When the rain will come, listen, this is a general reading, but I said so that I might be picking other energies. I'm sorry for this, but it's also connected with the events or certain situations, sad events happened, connected with SSR, and connected cases, Disha, and more. Okay, I feel like it's this, especially this. She's direct lost energy. People might be, some energies are there, they're very uncomfortable around me, and maybe that's why water will drip, the rain will come, when the handcuffing will be there, and I'll be back. So especially this particular reading wherein I'm going, please excuse me the sound, they will pass. Especially in this reading, there are many disturbances, especially regarding the words and choosing the words and the energy, because of the current matter. So I said again, I'm repeating it, that there will be rain, the water will drip a lot when this event will be happening, when the handcuffing will be there, when the culprits will be behind the bars, and there's going to be mass celebration. So it is connected with SSR as well. It is connected with the case, connected with Disha and others, Samir. I feel like maybe these energies are enjoying. When I first looked at this card, I was like, I felt like, how can people smile and all, because this is some ill feeling. But then I realized that because of this current issue that's going on, the angels and from the universe, the rain will drop, like it's going to be the dripping of the water, which is about saying that they're crying over the judgment that's going to happen in favor of SSR and the issues connected with them, because that's why mass celebration is here. Some mass celebration will be happening which is connected. I feel like there will be something happening wherein they'll create problems. They'll create problems in a way that they'll get blur, and they'll choose the wrong, or they'll say something, and the handcuffing will surely happen because they're going to say something. They're all caught up in their own drama, their own desires and fantasies that will make them come. All in all, the storm will come for them. Now here, there's as in general, again, the messages we are getting on, there is going to be that water that's going to drip, and there's going to be the situation that might get so emotional. It may happen throughout this phase wherein the King of Cups energy, presence of this, and then Six of Cups. So emotional cards obviously coming out here. Okay, what's in a future call, a future vibe? I don't know why, even I'm trying to concentrate on these cards here, I'm still going there, like this Ninos, because this is totally different deck and the message. Okay, but what's in future? Please give us the future. So this card is coming so tight in my fingers. It's Ace of Wands energy. I'll be back. So the recording time is 1414. You got Ace of Wands energy in your future call. There's going to be something that will bring them again towards you. Ace of Wands is my karma card. The action will be taken. The action that will be taken will renew the phase, the emotional phase that will be coming. That's why the water was dripping. Ace of Wands is the connection that will be reignited for some cases. Or this may be some action against something wrong, okay? And it's going to give peace to the past matter. I feel like something will be coming on at peace because of the action that will be taken, and this is a huge karmic action. Okay, also you're having the moon, so might be Pisces, but if it's not, even this is summer phase which is right now dual but will be very clear, or will become very clear. And this is also saying that this situation is really dual about the emotions, especially connected with someone in particular if you're dealing here. So there is the Six of Cups resurgence, wherein some action you need to take, and they might approach you. Okay, someone who might approach you, or you end up approaching them. It's going to be what's beyond Ace of Wands energy. Oh my god, Ace of Wands is again coming with the Queen of Cups. I feel like this is going to be something that will come at peace in the coming time. With the Ace of Wands, this may be coming from the King of Cups or Queen of Cups. Some of you might be pairing up with the same water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but because here it's King and Queen. But it's also something that this person emotional state will come towards you, so the action will be from this person's side. Howsoever they'll say something. Okay, and I'm also picking like action against someone in particular. That's why you got this like she's dead at last kind of energy, and energies are really negative here. What kind of celebration is this? I don't understand. Oh my god. Okay, so this person is coming from your past, obviously, because they are entering in your future. So regardless of the male female energy, someone is that you know, obviously. I really want to apologize here because my words are going haywire. Energies are really shifting so much. Okay, so what's in love? 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 Five of Swords. What's in love? You're drawing the line. So there's going to be the rain. There's going to be the water dripping. There's going to be something that will make sense. Who was right, who wasn't. Why you felt hollow. Why you feel neglected. Why someone felt emotionally cornered here. Five of Swords is something that you are going to draw the line, that you don't want to get into arguments with, because it's just like feeling, it's like, what the hell? I mean, how can someone be happy? There's this smiling face here, I see. Someone is happy because someone's rain is falling. Rain is REIGN. I mean, this is some umpire is falling here. Okay, or someone who is turning up with their lies and cheats towards you, again from the past. What you're going to do, that's your matter. Some of you might be the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, dealing with the situation, or listening to the reading. Okay, take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.